Welcome back, Freedom Savers. The market's been very volatile this week. It's been kind of insane. It's been going up and down, and honestly, when I see it in the green, it depresses me, and when I see it in the red, it excites me. And that's just because I have cash specifically in my 401k that I'm trying to transfer into stocks, and I'd like to do it on red days. Anyways, let's get into the Roth update. I still have my same 100 stocks. Nothing's changed there. The split offs on some of these haven't happened yet. Overall values, $5,077.19 with 64 cents in cash. I got paid some dividends from Public Storage, Main Street Capital, and Juniper. Looks like that's all I really got paid this week. Let's go ahead and hop over to the spreadsheet here. So overall value, $5,077.19. I have deposited $5,440. So I am down $362.81 if I were to sell my stocks, which I am not. I've been depositing $60 a day as usual. On the dividend side, I've earned $30.78 total in dividends. I've been paid $19.64 of that. This month I've been paid $13.42. Unfortunately, I have not had time to update the yearly dividend section, so I won't be doing that this week. I will follow up and make sure I get that done next week for you guys though. The stock market's been up and down. If you are a new investor, don't let the down days make you sell and freak out. The market is much more volatile right now than it normally is. But volatility is part of the market. It is just what it does. All right, now if we look at our holdings over here in M1, see what this says. It says Eden Vance is our biggest loser. Apple is our second biggest loser. Albemarle, however you pronounce that, is our third, and Target is our fourth, and UTX is our fifth. Some huge companies that I have lots of confidence in, and I've lost on them for now. So that's kind of a good thing though, because it means that I will be buying more of those as I average in every day. Speaking of averaging in every day, on the funding side, I have been canceling my deposits because it's towards the end of the year and January's coming and I won't be depositing $60 a day in 2019. I will start dividing up my $6,000 max that I can put in here over the 252 days that the market will be open in 2019. And so I'll be depositing 26 something. I'll just show you here. I'll be depositing 26.20 on the 2nd. And then every other day for the rest of the year, I'll be depositing $23.80. And that will get me to my 6,000 by December 31st. So let's go back to our holdings here again, if it lets me, and show you the winners. Northwest Natural, this calculation is still incorrect, so we're going to ignore that one and assume our biggest winner is California Water Service Group, American States Water Company, Realty Income Corporation, which is a superstar, and Starbucks, which is a superstar. So it looks like people have moved to the water companies as a recourse for the market dropping. They've put some more money into those. Realty Income and Starbucks, they're both just superstars and are great companies to invest in overall, at least in my opinion. So that's it. That's it for the Roth IRA portfolio weekly update. And we'll see how this next week treats us, whether we're going to have down markets, up markets, or whether it's just going to be a roller coaster ride like it was this week. So take care, guys. Keep investing and stay cool. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.